Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm testing out the Makeup Revolution concealer, which has been all over, well, basically all social media. And a lot of people compare it to the Tarte Shape Tape. I've never actually tried it and I wasn't going to buy it purely for the sake of doing a video because it's so expensive. So I'm going to compare it to Collection's Lasting Perfection Concealer, which I use in, I think, pretty much every video I've ever done on YouTube. So if you want to know how these compare, then carry on watching. So I'm going to do one side of my face with the Collection one and the other with the Makeup Revolution, so you can see how they compare. They do look pretty much the same colour, but when they come out you know they're always different. In the Collection one I use Fair, and I know they do a lighter one now, but I still haven't tried that yet. And in the Makeup Revolution I got C1, which is for fair with neutral undertones. Mine is slightly more pinky undertones, but they look so much darker, that one, so that's why I decided to get this one instead. So first up is the Makeup Revolution, and the applicator is massive, and so I'm just going to do it on this side of my face. It's quite thick. Now I'm just going to use my damp beauty sponge, and it's only dirty because I just used it for foundation, so it's fine. That's it blended in, and I like the consistency of it. It is quite thick, so it means it is quite full coverage, but it looks a little grey on my skin. Like, the camera's not really picking it up, but in person, I don't know if that's maybe I just got the wrong colour, but it looks a little grey under my eyes. Everywhere else it seems to look fine, just here it seems to look quite grey. So I'll just put on the other one and you can see how that compares. Obviously this one has a lot smaller applicator. And I'm just going to blend that in as well. Actually, once they're both blended in, you can't actually see that much difference. I don't know if maybe it's just the lighting making it look grey, because even the other one does as well. So I'm not sure. But once it's on, there is hardly any difference whatsoever. They're both quite thick, which I personally like because I like it to be full coverage. So I'm just going to go set that down with powder. They definitely both look better with powder on top, so I think it might be just the lighting today that's just a little bit weird because it is quite grey out. But yeah, I actually quite like that, the Makeup Revolution one. It's quite thick, so you definitely need to use powder, otherwise it's just going to crease. But on my eyes, pretty much every concealer creases anyway, so that doesn't really bother me that much. But it seems to have covered all the blemishes that I have and the redness, which I'm quite pleased with. You can't really tell the difference between which side I've used it and which one I haven't. So yeah, I think maybe I should try the pink undertone one. That might not look as grey on me. But then again, this one is not bad whatsoever. I actually really like the packaging as well of it. I love the rose gold. It's just so cute. Compared to this one, which is just sort of black, the colour, pretty normal. So that's quite cute. And also these are both the paler, well I know there's a paler one with this, but these are the paler shades. And my skin is really pale. I always use the lightest of everything. So I hope this gave you all the information you could need on both of these concealers and which one I think is good, which one's not. Basically they're both really good, so I don't know why you said that. Anyway, so I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please get a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in another